Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can translate text in your text messages on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up Messages and then open up the text conversation. Next, select a text that you would like to translate, so touch and hold. From the pop-up menu, tap on Translate, and in here you can choose a different language by tapping on Change Language from the menu. So from the list here, select a language. If the language that you want to use does not appear in the list here, you might need to add in another language in Settings. So in the Settings app, you may want to go down and tap on General, and in here tap on Language and Region. In here you might want to install some additional language that you want to use on your device. So in here there are a lot more languages which you can select. Okay, so we're going to go back to the text message now, and let's say I want to translate text to a different language. You can see at the bottom here it will automatically translate to the selected language, and then you can press on the play button to play that text.
Ngoài ra, tôi đã để lại cho bạn một bưu kiện bên ngoài cửa của bạn.
And that's it. So that is how you can translate text.
Khi bạn đến nơi, vui lòng nhấn chuông cửa.
That is how you can translate text in Messages on the iPhone 14 series. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.